This illustration deals with switches controlling lighting outlets and loads in accordance with 404.2C. Now, note 1, just says, hey, you can review 1-20 rules. You'd want to see 404.2C, an exception. And all or some of these units could be fluorescent, could be incandescent, whatever the arrangement of the lighting outlets are to provide lighting in a particular location. And notice that PVC is used here, type raceway. It may be tubing, it may just be conduit, but it has to have an equipment ground sized in accordance with Table 250.122 based upon the overcurrent device ahead of the branch circuit. And in course note 2 says if these are existing installations, be sure that you review 404.22 exception along with 404.2C as in car and exception. The grounded neutral circuit conductor for the control lighting circuit shall be provided at the switch location in accordance with 404.2C without the conduit you see feeding the line side of that switch is large enough to pull in the neutral later. But that's where your snap switch is. The grounded neutral conductor, as we've said before, is 404.2C. The general branch circuit with an equipment ground and grounded neutral is 404.14. Now, notice that we bring the power into the switch, then the switch switches the ungrounded conductor to the lighting to control it, turn it off and on. And figure 11-36 is showing a snap switch controlling the lighting loads in accordance with 404.2C.